Hi guys, this is Laravel Websockets chat application tutorial series. And in this part, we will learn how to validate profile form data with uploading of user profile image under this Laravel chat application. In previous part, we have already make profile page and fill that profile page with data. Now in this part, we will learn how to validate profile data with uploading of image. So first, we have to open sample controller file, and under this file, we have to create profile validation method with $request variable as argument. Under this method, first we want to validate user profile form data. So here we have to write $request variable with validate method. And under this method, we have to define validation rules in an array format. So in first key, we have to write name, and in validation rules, we have to write required, so here this name field value is required for submit form data. In second key, we have to write input field name email, and in validation rules, we have to write required and email, so this validation rules will check this field values is required for submit form data, and this field value must be a valid email. In third key, we have to write user image input field name, and in validation rules, we have to write image, valid image extension, maximum image size, define valid image dimension. So this validation rules will check user uploaded file must be an image, and image extension must be JPG and PNG format. After this it will check maximum image size must be 2 MB, so more than 2 MB image will not be uploaded. After this it will check image dimension, like image width and height must be minimum 100 pixel and maximum 1000 pixel. So it will check this all validation rules. If form data is not passed from this validation rules, then it will redirect web page to profile page, and on that page, it will display validation error. But suppose there is no any validation error has been occur, then it will execute other code. Now we want to store hidden user image field data in local variable. So here, we have to write $user image variable is equal to $request variable with hidden user image variable. After this, we want to check user has select image file or not. So for this, here we have to write if statement, and under condition, we have to write $request variable with user image variable value is not equal to blank. So this condition will check if user has select file, then it will execute if block of code. And under this block, we have to upload selected file under public directory images folder. So under this block, first we want to generate new name for image. So here, we have to write $user image variable is equal to time function, and after this, we have to append selected file image extension. So for get file extension, we have to write $request variable with user image with get client original extension function, so it will return selected file extension, and it will create new image name. Now we want to upload file to public directory images folder, so for this, here we have to write $request variable with user image variable. With move function with 2 argument, so in first argument, we have to write public path function with images folder name, and in second argument, we have to write $user image variable, so it will upload selected file in public directory images folder. So this way, we can upload file in Laravel chat application. Next we want to update user profile data in MySQL database. So for this, here we have to write $user variable is equal to user model class with find method, and under this, we have to write auth class with id method, which will return login user id, and it will fetch single user which has been stored under $user variable. Now below this, we have to write user variable with name table column name is equal to $request variable with name input field name. After this, $user variable with email table column name is equal to $request variable with email input field name. After this, we want to check user want to change password details or not. So here, we have to write if statement, and under condition, we have to write $request variable with password input field value is not equal to blank. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. And under this block, we have to write $user variable with password table column name is equal to hash class with make method, and under this method, we have to write $request variable with password input field name, so it will convert simple password to hash formatted password. After this, for update user image table column data, so here we have to write $user variable with user image table column name is equal to $user image variable, so it will change user image table column data. Now we want to save this data in MySQL database, so here we have to write $user variable with save method, so it will update data in MySQL database. So after update data in MySQL table, now we want to redirect web page to profile page with success message. So for this, here we have to write return statement with redirect method. And under this, we have to write profile method name, so it will redirect to profile page. Now for display success message, so here we have to write with method with two argument. In first argument, we have to write success variable, and in second argument, we have to write profile details updated, so this message will be display on the web page. Now for display success message on the web page, we have opened profile.blade.php file. And here, we have to write @if directive, and under condition, we have to write $message variable is equal to session class with get method, and under this method, we have to write success variable. So this condition will check if success variable has been stored in session flash data. Then it will execute if directive code, and here we have create one division tag with class is equal to alert success. And between this tag, we have to write Laravel expression. And between this, we have to write $message variable, so it will display success message on the web page. So here our code is ready. Now we have to check output in the browser. So friends, here first we have refresh web page, and here we can see profile page on the web page. Now we have change username details, and after this, we have select profile image from the local computer. Now we have click on the save button, and after click on the save button, here we can see that profile details updated message on the web page. And under form, we can see that name details has been updated. And below it, we can see that user profile image has been uploaded on the server. And after uploading image, here at the header, we can see user profile image has been changed. So here we can see that this way user can change their profile details. And user can also change their profile picture also. In next part, we will show you how to download and install Ratchet WebSocket library under this Laravel chat application, so we will be meet in next part.